Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be working with Git branch using GitGraph diagram in Mermaid.js. In our code example, we want to create a Git repository illustrated with our GitGraph. The repository is for designing a web interface which has a main page, about us page, and a product page. We want each page to be developed by different designers. This is where we will need a Git branch. And to start that, we'll start with the keyword GitGraph to show that we want to do a GitGraph. And we're going to have like 2 commits on this. And because we want to move to develop an About Us page of the website, we're going to then have to branch to the About Us branch. A branch in Git is a parallel line of development. It allows you to diverge from the main development line and work on features or bug fixes without affecting the main code base. So in this instance, we want to go to the About Us. We type the word branch and we'll give the branch a name. In this instance, it's going to be About Us. You can put a double quote if there is a space in your name or if any of the name is a keyword, and the name has to be unique for all new branches you create. And right now, when you say branch, it creates a new branch and checks out to the branch. That is, whatever commit you make after this branch, all will be stored in the new branch. And you can see right here, it has the main branch and then the About Us branch that we just created. So every other commit you make is going to be created in the new branch. So let's make 2 more commits on this new branch. Yeah. And you can see what that does. Let's say I want to create another branch for the product page. So I have product, and as you can see, it also shows that I have moved to the 3rd page. And if I do commit, it creates those commits. So these are 2 different commits. Let's make it 3 for product. 3 different commits made for product, 2 commits made for About Us, and the main development has just 2 commits. A developer or a designer may be assigned to the main commit, the About Us commit, and product commit, and whatever work they do will be stored in that branch. It's not going to affect the original branch. Now, how do we go back to the main branch? Let's say we're working on this commit differently and we want to return to the main branch. That is when we use the word checkout. Checkout is to say, go to another branch. And in this instance, we say main. So right now it has moved to the main branch, the 1st branch. And when you type a commit, it's going to show a commit on the main branch. Please note that when you're typing this, make sure that you don't have a space in between your markdowns. So here there is a space somewhere here. That is why it's showing an error. So I'm just going to remove this. And then there is a space here. I'm going to remove this. And you can see right now, after doing 3 commits here, the 1, 2, 3 commit, when I checked out and did commit again, it committed to the main branch. So development code for main branch remains just the main code. Only the main repository, the files for the main repository are shown here. So I can say check out again to About Us. And now that I'm in About Us, I can commit. And you can see About Us is also committing 1 more. Let's commit 2 more. Commit for About Us is 2. And I can check out again. You know, the checkout just moves you around. You can check out to the main or to the product. I'm going to commit again. And here you have it. You can move from main to About Us to product using the checkout. You can do checkout to product and also add a commit to it. And then you can see that being done. You can also still add an ID. For instance, I added the ID snapshot 022. Here you can see it. Snapshot 022 is added here, an ID. You can also add a tag. Like I just added a tag to this one. You can see version 021. And you can include a type to whatever commit you want to do. So right here, I included a type here, and you can see the reverse type is shown here. And as you can see, the branch separates the development. We can give a designer to design the product, another designer for About Us, and every commit they make will be on that branch. You can check out my full video tutorial on Udemy titled Mastering Mermaid.js Diagram, Charts and Data Visualization, which teaches in-depth course on different Mermaid.js diagram and chart implementation. Check out the link in the description for more details.